Hello everyone, my name is Abdurrahman Ahmad Ashidik, and in this video I will be presenting a comprehensive review of the movie Inception, directed by Christopher Nolan and released in 2010. Inception is a science fiction thriller that combines action, psychology, and directed I'm sorry, psychology and philosophical questions about reality and the human mind. The film follows Tom Cobb, a highly skilled extractor who steals valuable information by answering people's dreams using experimental technology. Because his involvement in this illegal activity, Cobb is forced to live in exile and is unable to return to his children. The movie received widespread critical acclaim and earned eight Academy Award nominations, winning 4 Oscars, and for its technical achievements such as cinematography and visual effects, with IMDb rating of around 8 of 10. Inception is widely regarded as one Christopher Nolan's most ambitious and influential works. The, the storyline of Inception is both innovative and complex. Instead of focusing traditional haze, the film presents a mission that takes place entirely within the subconscious mind. The concept of inception is or planting an idea rather than stealing one adds a unique psychological dimension to the plot. The pacing of the movie is carefully controlled. The half the first half focus on world building and explanation, which is necessary due to the film's complex rules. As the story progresses, the pacing accelerates, culminating in highly intense climax involving multiple dreams layers operating simultaneously. One of one of the most memorable aspects of the plot is how time functions differently at each dream level. This creates tension and urgency, especially during the final sequence where action unfolds across several realities at once. The ambiguous ending, represented by the spinning top, invites audience to question whether Cobb is truly awake or making the film is high, making the film highly rewatchable. The dumb cop is portrayed as deeply troubled protagonist. His emotional struggle is driven by guilt over his wife Mel's death, and his inability to reunite with his children. Leonardo DiCaprio delivers a powerful performance that balances emotional vulnerability with intensity. Mel is not just a supporting character but a psychological manifestation of Cobb's unresolved trauma. Her recurring appearance blurs the line between the memory, reality, adding emotional weight to the narrative. Other characters, such as Arthur, Ariadne, Imes, and Saito, serve functional roles within the team, while they are not explored as deeply as Cobb. Their interactions help explain the dream mechanic and maintain narrative momentum, and Ariadne in particular act as surrogate for the audience, asking questions and guiding viewers through the film's complex structure. Christopher Nolan himself direction in Inception is both ambitious, meticulous, and he successfully managed a complex narrative without sacrificing clarity or spectacle. The Nolan's preference is the Nolan's preference for practical effects over CGI enhance the realism of dream sequence. The cinematography by Wally Pfister is visually striking. Iconic scenes such as the folding cityscape and the zero gravity hallway fight are not visually impressive but also narratively meaningful. Each dream layer has a distinct visual identity, helping the audience differentiate between levels of reality. The use of wide shots and symmetrical framing reflects Nolan's interest in order and contrasting within the chaos of Club's internal struggles. The soundtrack itself, composed by Hans Zimmer, play a crucial role in shaping the film's atmosphere. The score is powerful, emotional, and memorable, particularly the track time, which underscores the film's emotional climax. Sound design is also used creatively to support the narrative, and the slowed down version of Edith Piaf's generic gradient oh my god function as a countdown signal within the dream world, cleverly integrating sound into the plot structure. Inceptions explores several profound themes, including the nature of reality, the power of ideas, guilt, and the subconscious mind. The film suggests that ideas are incredibly powerful and potentially dangerous, as they can alter perceptions and decisions permanently. Another central theme is letting go of the past. Cobb's inability to release his guilt keeps him trapped in the psychological limbo. Only by confronting his memory can he move forward. Personally, I consider Inception to be one of the most intellectually intellectually stimulating films I have ever watched. Its originality, technical mastery, emotional depth, and the story itself it apart from typical blockbuster films. However, the complexity of the narrative may be overwhelming some viewers, especially like me, to seeking a casual viewing experience. Despite this, this I believe the film rewards attentive audience with a rich layered experience. The conclusion is Inception is a cinematic achievement that successfully blends action, emotion, and philosophy. Its influence on modern filmmaking is undeniable, and it continues to inspire discussion and analysis years after its release. Thank you for watching. Good night.